Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about how you can earn $50 per hour by just teaching German. Even if you're not a German, you're like a giant or anything. If you know some basic German, so you can even earn a lot of money from from this website as well. The company is Glass Gap by Go Students. I have just put the German, and here uh, you could know like what specialties you would have. Like it's a business German or conversation go to A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and everything is included. Like, well, it depends upon you, like which German language you would like to teach in this website. So here's an example. Manuela, she's earning around like $45 per hour of the free 20 minutes trial. And Benny, she's earning $19 per hour. When I go to the Manuela, just check her the what do you say, the profile, like you know she has around 356 reviews, so that's great. Here you have, we would have your the biography, where you from, like how, what's your experience internet. You see availability and book, like here you'll let the clients know, let the students know that what's your availability, like it's a Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and what time are you available. Here the clients will give you the review, and according to that, you can I mean earn money. That is why she's charging $45 per hour, and she's giving 5 lessons for $48 per lesson. So yeah, it's a good amount of money, and it depends upon you, as like what language you have here, or different languages, Italian or Dutch or anything, what currency you would like to have, euro, Great Britain, in anything, it depends upon you. Okay, so there are other websites as well. I gone to teachers on the Berlitz, where you can teach German online. So yep, to what level you will have. There are other other than that, there are like the online English tutors, Spanish tutors, Italian tutors, in case if you want to earn some extra language skills, so you can even go on with that. While going to the Glasgow website, there are a lot of other what do you say, yeah, the companies, like there are more than 6,043 teachers, Spanish teachers, and yeah, everything like this. And you will be once qualified for this. How does that work? So first of all, you have to find, if you want to be a student, you can just find your tutor, you choose me and all that. Like for example, if you want to teach, you just have to join their sign up free, and just go on with that. Yeah. So thank you so much for the time, guys. Do sign up, and earn some money from this website, and have a great day. Thank you. Hey.